Hello and welcome to the LSET self-paced course on prompt engineering. In this course, you will learn why prompt engineering matters and how it helps you communicate effectively with AI systems. We will explore how the way you ask questions can directly impact the quality of results you receive. Let's get started. In AI, how you ask a question is just as important as what you ask. AI does not think like humans. It responds to patterns and the instructions you provide. Language becomes the interface. The words you use act like commands. So when your prompt is clear and well-structured, the results improve significantly. In simple terms, better prompts lead to better results. Let us understand the difference between the traditional approach and the AI era. In traditional development, we write strict logic, define every rule, and try to handle all possible edge cases. Everything is controlled step by step. But in the AI era, things work differently. Instead of writing detailed logic, we communicate intent. We guide the system using language rather than fixed rules. Even small changes in how we write prompts can create a big impact on the results. This shift from coding logic to communicating clearly is what makes prompt engineering so important. Prompt engineering matters because it directly improves the quality of AI outputs. First, it improves accuracy, helping you get more precise and relevant results. Second, it increases efficiency, saving time and reducing the need for repeated corrections. It also gives you more control, allowing you to shape how the AI responds. And finally, it supports scalability, meaning you can apply the same approach across different use cases and systems. Together, these benefits make prompt engineering a powerful and essential skill. Professional prompting is about being structured and intentional. First, you define the role and context so the AI understands what it is expected to do. Next, you structure your inputs clearly, making your request easy to interpret. Then, you guide the reasoning, helping the AI think in the right direction. You also set the output format so the response is organized and useful. And finally, you predict behavior, anticipating how the AI might respond and adjusting your prompt accordingly. This structured approach is what separates casual users from professionals. AI is already being used across many real-world applications. In customer support, AI helps answer queries quickly and efficiently. In code generation, it assists developers by writing and suggesting code. In data analysis, AI can process large amounts of information and identify patterns. And in decision systems, AI supports better and faster decision-making. It is also used in content creation, helping generate articles, summaries, and ideas. This shows that AI is not just a concept, it is actively shaping how industries work today. Let us look at the difference prompt engineering makes. Without proper prompt design, AI outputs can be inconsistent. There is also a higher risk of bias and potential security issues. But when we apply prompt engineering, the results improve significantly. Outputs become more reliable, interactions become safer, and most importantly, the results become business-ready. This is why prompt engineering is not optional, it is essential for real-world use. Prompt engineering is not limited to one role or industry. It is a cross-functional skill used by many professionals. Developers use it to build smarter applications. AI engineers use it to improve model performance. Security teams use it to ensure safe and controlled interactions. Business leaders use it to make better decisions, and content creators use it to generate high-quality content. This shows that prompt engineering is becoming an essential skill across all domains. Prompt engineering is continuously evolving. Today, the quality of your prompt directly impacts the quality of results you receive. In the near future, prompting will become embedded in everyday workflows, making it a natural part of how we interact with technology. Looking further ahead, it will become more standardized and governed with clear practices and guidelines. This shows that prompt engineering is not just a temporary skill, but a long-term capability that will shape how we work with AI. Let us look at how prompting is evolving over time. In the future, prompting will become more standardized and governed with clear rules and best practices. In the near future, or tomorrow, it will be embedded into everyday workflows, becoming a natural part of how we use technology. And today, the most important thing to remember is that prompt quality matters. The better your prompt, the better your results. This progression shows how prompt engineering is becoming an essential skill for the future. In this course, you will build a strong understanding of prompt engineering step by step. First, you will learn how AI understands prompts and processes information. Then, you will explore how to design effective prompts. You will also learn how to optimize results, improving the quality of AI responses. Next, we will look at real-world applications so you can see how these concepts are used in practice. And finally, we will cover ethical usage, helping you use AI responsibly. By the end of this course, you will have both the knowledge and confidence to work with AI effectively. This course is designed for a wide range of learners. If you are a beginner, you do not need any prior AI experience to get started. For business users, this course will help you use AI more effectively in your daily work. If you are a developer, you will learn how to build smarter AI-driven solutions. And if you are a career switcher, this can support your transition into AI-related roles. No matter your background, prompt engineering is a valuable skill you can start learning today. To use AI effectively, it is important to develop the right mindset. First, you need to think systematically, breaking problems into clear steps. Then, you should design with intent, being purposeful in how you write your prompts. It is also important to understand how AI behaves so you can guide it more effectively. And finally, you should treat prompts as assets, refining and reusing them to improve results over time. This mindset is what turns prompt engineering into a professional skill. Your learning journey in this course follows a simple and structured path. First, you will learn the core concepts and understand how prompt engineering works. Then, you will practice applying what you have learned through examples and exercises. Finally, you will build, using your knowledge to create real-world solutions. This step-by-step approach will help you move from understanding to practical impact with confidence. Prompt engineering is not about guessing, it is a structured skill. When you understand how to communicate clearly with AI, you gain control over the results. The better you express your intent, the better the outcome you receive. In simple terms, when you master the language of AI, you master the outcome. Now it's your turn to begin your AI journey. Start by practicing what you've learned. The more you apply it, the more confident you become. Then move on to building. Create real solutions, solve real problems, and turn ideas into action. And finally, think about impact. How can you use AI to make a difference? Because this is not just about learning AI, it's about shaping the future with it. In simple terms, when you master the language of AI, you master the outcome. Thank you for your time and attention. I hope this session helped you understand how AI works and how powerful prompt engineering can be. This is just the beginning of your journey. Keep exploring, keep practicing, and keep building. See you in the next video. We hope you enjoyed this video. Ready to take your AI skills to the next level? Enroll in our self-paced prompt engineering mastery,
beginner to advanced course and learn how to create powerful AI prompts using ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and more. Build industry-ready prompt engineering skills, explore real-world AI workflows, and stay ahead in the AI revolution, all at your own pace. Use coupon code to get 15% off today. Scan the barcode or visit the course page now to start your journey into prompt engineering.